What is up, dogs, homies, boys? Welcome back. This is a video for Simple Builds 2. I'm not feeling very motivated today, but we're gonna go out. We got some work to do. I gotta do my mom's brake job, so we're gonna get the parts. I don't have my tripod, it's at the shop, so we're gonna be making do to get a little bit creative. Show you guys a little bit of a day in the life, slash what I do when I'm not motivated. Just go out and get some work done. So here we go. As much as I want to drive the RS today, we cannot because all my tools are at the shop, so we got to take the mom mobile quite literally over to the shop. We're going to swap these brakes out.
Waiting for Perry.
It is wicked hot. We are gonna go get some new t-shirts on the way over to the shop because I don't have any that I like anymore. So we're gonna see if we can find some cheap shirts at Marshall's really briefly. I'm probably not gonna bring you guys in because I'm not that kind of a confident vlogger. I'm not a vlogger, content creator. So I'll show you guys what I pick up after we get there. I had my big sweatshirt on because I think it looks pretty stylish. Oh, let me buckle up. I had my big sweatshirt on, but it's way too hot for that, so I have this, the only other shirt washed. It's like this skinny little shirt, so I'm gonna go get some shirts. I'm gonna get one to work in and hopefully pick out some better style shirts that I had in the past. We just cleared out like everything from my closet, so let's head to Marshall's. I gotta get one of those suction cup mounts that goes right up over there, that attaches onto the windshield so it can aim back at me and I don't have to hold this thing, so I can drive and talk to the camera. That's the next purchase. I also need to sell that RS. I enjoy it, but to be honest with you guys, it's super expensive. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's not terrible. It wasn't terrible before the shop, but now with the shop, extra expenses just that I don't need right now, that don't make me money. That car does not perform well with content. I enjoy it, but you know, it's not a great investment, and I'm kind of just ready for something else. I want something automatic for my daily. I have the Honda build that I can drive now for something manual, and every car that I get besides my daily will probably be manual. Most likely, I'm not sure, but you know, it's a lot more fun. Most likely will be manual cars for the projects on the channel that I own for my personal projects, not the giveaway builds. But yeah, I'm ready for that thing to sell, so hit me up in the DMs on Instagram if you guys are interested in buying the RS. I bought that thing for like $35K at a high part in the market. Probably shouldn't have done that, but we did it. And yeah, I'm probably gonna sell it at a loss. So let me know if you guys are interested and I'll hook you up with a pretty good deal on a really sweet Focus RS. Some tasteful mods, nothing crazy, some good wheels, good tires, full bolt-ons, all name brand. So let me know. I want to sell that thing ASAP. I want to get something a little bit older, mid-range mileage, and something that I can have paid off. That cop was behind me. I thought he saw me with my big old camera. Is there like an operating large DSLR camera while driving ticket? All right, we're pulling up to Marshall's. Let's see if we can find some drip. I just committed the murder. I got out of the car and I stepped on a juice box. See you in a bit. Alright, and we are back with the first piece of merchandise. What do you guys think? Yosemite. I didn't buy it in Yosemite. Obviously, we've got it at Marshall's, next best thing. And got a little back print. I've been to Yosemite, so I can wear stuff like this. The OGs remember when I posted about my cross-country trip. This is the second shirt. Another national park. Yellowstone. Pretty sick cowboy print on the back. I think that's pretty dope. I'm gonna throw this one on to get dirty in, to do some brakes, because this is like okay, but I just needed a decent shirt. I think it was kind of cool. It's definitely gonna get dirty, but it's got a GTR in the back. I know it's one of those like Zoomies specials, but you know what? It's kind of cool, and I don't mind getting that shirt dirty, so we're gonna rock with that one. Sorry guys, no free shows. Boom! Check that out. Check that out. Throw the welcome cap on, and we're ready to get to work. What do you think, boys? Pretty clean? Pretty clean? We're here, baby. Unfortunately, I don't have the lift set up just yet. I'm waiting for an electrician, hopefully soon enough. Then I can just drive on, lift it up, get to work. But for now, good old days are back. Just finished up, 10:30. Car's done. Shop's a little bit of a mess, but not too bad. It's about 11 o'clock. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in the next mini vlog epi on Simple Builds 2. Thanks for tuning in.